Mancuso, the landing doctor. Today I'm going to show you the best way to clean an aircraft windshield. You have dust oftentimes on a windshield, and if we use a regular rag or we start with our cleaner right away, we can scratch the windshield. We need to get the dust off the windshield. Typically you would wet a rag and gently get the dust off, but I recently learned the best way. You put the water in your hand, and your hand has oils in it. So you can get the bugs and the dust off the windshield with your hand. And the natural oils in your hand will protect the scratching of the windshield. And if you get a spot with a bug, after it's nice and wet, you can work on that little spot a little bit and get rid of the bug, okay? So I've pretty much got rid of the bugs. Now I get rid of some of the excess water. Okay, now I got rid of the excess water. And then you would take the best plexiglass cleaner you can get, which is Plexus, but I don't have my Plexus today, so I'm using McGuire's plastic cleaner. But typically you would use your Plexus, and you put a small amount, very little bit of it, and you take a brand new microfiber rag or one that's been recently laundered and is still like new, and you just work that in. Typically would have a second one, but in this case this one's dry enough, it's going to be fine without a second one. You let that dry till it has a little bit of white film, maybe a minute or so. It's not quite dry, but I'm going to take it off anyway. Turn it over to the drier side. And there you have it, perfectly clean Bristol windshield here at Sun and Fun 2018. And that's Lou Mancuso, the landing doctor. Another safety tip, happy flying.